It is humongous. On the side of our mural there is a humongous red colour. It represents new life, which is the children. It is red because it is our school colour. There are 4 waves coming out of the kuru. They represent the spring water under our school. The text is Te kura o te puna wai ora, and it means Invercargill Middle School and the freshwater spring underneath our school. The big kuru and the little kuru represents big kids looking after the little kids. The children are waving to welcome people to our school.
Breaking news. Mumsy has created a humongous mural. There is a kuru because it represents new life. The new life is us. Just a piece of wood magically transformed into a scintillating mural. I painted a letter. It was complex to paint the letter. There were people that were waving jubilantly because the giant kids look after the mini kids. Marvellous mural.